Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Before we jump into today's fun activity, let's talk for a moment. One big question parents ask these days is, how can we keep our kids away from screens and still keep them happy and busy at home? I know many of you parents watching can totally relate to this. We've all been there, trying to find fun, simple ways to keep our little ones engaged without relying on gadgets. Well, this video might just have the answer. As you can see here, Mohammed is fully focused and having so much fun. And the best part, he isn't watching cartoons, not on a phone, he's actually learning through play. No stress, no fancy tools, and definitely no expensive toys. Just simple things you already have in your kitchen. It's that easy. So, if you're looking for a creative, screen-free way to keep your little ones busy, you're in the right place. Let's get started.
How are you feeling today?
Happy.
Give me a high five. Are we making cupcakes?
No.
Are we making orange juice?
No.
What are we making?
Playdough.
Great! What are we making today?
Playdough.
Okay, let's see, what do we have here?
Oh.
What is this?
Flower.
Let's put it inside. Use your both hands. Wow! We need 1 cup of flour. Ta-da! Okay, come on. What else do we need? Okay.
What?
We need some.
Wait.
Let's put together. 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
Where are we making?
Play-Doh. Now we need some water. Come. Let's put some water. No, Mohammed, we need to put water in the Play-Doh. Let's put together. Wow. Enough. Now. Yes. Ta-da!
We make.
So mix. Slowly. Yeah, wow.
This is the Play-Doh?
Yeah. Hey, little man, go there. Or here. Come on. Mix. We can do it. Come on. Woo! Do you need help?
No.
Let's mix together. We are mixing. How about we use our hand? How about if we use our hands?
Yeah.
Let's knead it. Bye-bye, spoon.
Ice cream.
1, 2, 3. Ta-da! It's time
Mix.
to get messy. Wow. Okay, what color do you want? We have green and red. Which one do you want?
Green.
Green. Come on, pick it up.
Let's go. Oh, green.
Yeah. Come on, press here. Whoa, look. Very nice.
Mommy.
Let's put some red also.
Oh, some red.
Yeah, I'm so excited. Look. Oh, wow. Let's see what red and green gonna make.
Let me.
Okay, mix. It's so soft.
Yeah.
Come on, show your Play-Doh in the camera. Ta-da! Wow.
Ta-da. Ow.
Oh.
I just want to eat it.
And now we're not eating it. We're gonna stick on your nose. Oh. Come. Uh-oh. Oh, this is so soft. Wow, I love it.
I want to stick on your nose too.
Come, stay with me.
I'm gonna stick it. I'm gonna stick on your nose.
Oh, ta-da! Take it off. Now, what we gonna do? See, we're gonna use this. Wow.
I'm going to make us the king. Bye, guys.
We'll catch you in another video. Bye.
Bye.
Oh no.